Hi, this is Hare Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is exercise 1.3 second question. Without performing division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. How can we know without performing division? We have a rule. If the denominator of any fraction is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then that fraction is terminates. And also if the denominator of the any fraction is in the form 2 power m, in this case also fraction have terminating decimal form. If the denominator of the any fraction is in the form 5 power n, in this case also fraction have decimal expansion is terminating. Here is the first question. 13 by 3125. First we have to find the prime factorization of denominator. 3125 by division method. It is the last digit is 5. It is divisible by 5. 5 6 30, remaining 1 2. 5 2 is 10, remaining 2 5. 5 5 is 25. It is also last digit is 5. It is divisible by 5. 5 1s 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 becomes 12. 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. And it is a 5 2 is 10. Remaining 2 5 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 1s 5. Here 5 2 times, 4 times, 5 times is there. Now 13 by 3125 can also be written as 5. How many times there? 5 times. It can written as 5 power 5. Our rule is if denominator is 2 power m or 5 power n or 2 power m into 5 power n. Here m comma n are positive integers. 5 power 5, it is a positive integer. It's a 5 power something. Hence it has a terminating decimal form. Now second question is 11 by 12. First find the prime factorization of 12 by division method. 2 6 2 3. This prime factorization is 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 into 2 is 2 square into 3 power 1. Now 11 by 12 can be written as 11 by 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. Is it in the form of 2 power m or 5 power n or 2 power m into 5 power n? It is not matching with any of these three. So 11 by 12 will have non-terminating repeating decimal. Now third question. Here we can also check this by doing division. 11 by 12. If you have doubt, check this. 11 by 12. 12 0.0. 12 nines. It is 108. 108. 110 minus 108 is 2. Already decimal point is there. We can put 0 here. 12 ones 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. Point is there 0. 12 6 72. Here 80 minus 72 is 8. Already decimal point is there 0. 12 6 72. Here 6 6 6 6 repeats So its answer is 0.916 place bar over 6. So it is a non-terminating. Non-terminating means it do not have end, it is not ending. Non-terminating and repeating, 6 digit is repeating. This is the meaning. And third question is 64 by 455. Prime factors are 5 nines 1 into 7 ones 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, 1 becomes 21, 7 3 is 21, 13 ones 13. Here 64 divided by 455 can be written as 5 into 7 into 13. If you multiply this, we get 455. Here denominator is not in the form 2 power m or 5 power m or 2 power m into 5 power n. Hence 64 by 455 have non-terminating repeating decimal. (64 by 455). By dividing this 64 by 455, we get 0.140659 repeats again. Now fourth question is 15 by 1600. Prime factors of 1600. 2 8s 16 0 0, 2 800s, 2 400s, 2 2s 4 0 0, 2 1s 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 0 0, 2 5s 10, 2 into 0 0, 2 2s 4, 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 0 becomes 10, 2 5s 10. Here last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 5 is 21, 25, 5 1s 5. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, here 2 how many times there? 15 by 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 power 6 into 5 into 5, 5 square. Here it is denominator in the form 2 power something into 5 power something. Hence it is it have terminating decimal form. Now fifth question. Its value is 1600. 15 by 1600 is equals to 0.009375. Terminated. Now fifth question is 29 by 343. 29 divided by 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. 29 by, it is 7 cube. It is denominator not in the form of 2 power m or 2 power something or 5 power something or 2 power something into 5 power something. So 29 by 343 will have non-terminating decimal form. Now sixth question is 23 divided by 2 cube into 5 square. Here no need to find prime factorization of a denominator, already given. So it is in the form 2 power m 5 power m. Now 2 power something into 5 power something. It will have terminating decimal form. You can also check by doing division. 23 divided by 2 cube is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 is 4. 4 is 8. Into 5 square means 5 into 5. It is 25. 23 by 25 into 8 is 200. 23 by 200 we get 0.115. It is terminated. Now 7th question. 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. Here also no need to find a prime factorization of denominator. Already given prime factors. Here 2 power something and 5 power something is there. And also combination with the 7 is there. What is the decimal form? Decimal form is non-terminating. Now 8th question is 9 by 15. It can also written as 9 by 3 into 5. But in numerator 9 also can be written as 3 into 3, no? Denominator is 3 into 5 as it is written. Numerator 9 converted into 3 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. Remaining is 3 by 5. Will it have terminating decimal form or non-terminating decimal form? Here denominator is 5 power something, 5 power 1. Hence it have terminating decimal. Check this 3 by 5. We get its answer is 0.6 as quotient, terminating decimal form. 9th question is 36 by 100. Prime factors of 100. 2 5 10 0, 5 1s of 5 0, and 5 2s 10, 2 1s. 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. So 36 by 100 can be written as that. Write 36 as it is in the numerator, and the denominator 100 can be written as 2 square into 5 square. 5 2 times there, 2 also 2 times there. 2 square into 5 square. Here 2 power something, 5 power something. Hence 36 by 100 will have terminating decimal form. Thirty-six by 100 is equals to 0.36. By dividing this, we get the 0.36. It is terminating decimal. It is also terminating decimal. Now last question, 10th one. 77 by 210. Prime factors of 210. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s 10, but 2 into 15 is not 210. So 2 into 105 is 210, because 2 digits I am taken, that's why add 0 in between 1 and 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 1s are 5, 7 3 is 21, 3 1s, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, 77 by 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. It is 2 power something, 5 power something is there. but it is combination with the 3 power something into 7 power something, so it will not have terminating decimal, hence it have non-terminating repeating. We can check this by doing division. 77 by 210, we get its answer is 0.3666 dash dash dash. It is 0.36 bar. Only 6 is repeating. I placed bar over 600.